Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best streaming media players. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the streaming media players in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick for the best streaming media players. Coming at number 9, we've got the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. The Streaming Stick Plus by Roku was designed to plug directly into the HDMI port of a compatible TV or monitor and stay out of sight. It can deliver 4K HDR content from all major streaming services, so it's well connected too. When it comes to HDR content though, the media player supports only the HDR10 standard. Speedy dual-band Wi-Fi and Roku's easy-to-use remote control round up the small gadget's key features. Coming at number 8, TiVo Edge. The TiVo Edge is a streaming player for all those who like to record live TV, as well as access today's most popular streaming services in 4K resolution. Designed to replace your cable box, the device can simultaneously record up to 6 shows, then allow you to watch them on your own time and seamlessly skip commercials. You can store up to 300 hours worth of recorded content on the TiVo Edge. Taking advantage of the product's recording capabilities requires a $15 per month TiVo subscription. When it comes to streaming capabilities, the TiVo Edge is capable of delivering cinematic Dolby Vision enhanced content, as well as Dolby Atmos sound. TiVo's signature remote supports voice commands. The convenient functionality allows you to search for content across recordings and all available services. However, the accessory's design, while instantly recognizable, is beginning to look a bit dated by today's streaming player standards. Coming at number 7, Roku Express HD. The latest Roku Express HD will instantly transform your older TV into a modern home entertainment powerhouse. Easy to set up and use, the tiny gadget can stream full HD content from all major streaming services, such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Apple TV Plus, among many others. It also comes with a ton of free content, courtesy of Roku's own channel. It's important to note that the Roku Express does not support HDR enhanced content. However, this is not a deal breaker. The product is best suited for older TVs that lack HDR compatibility. Of course, Roku's signature remote is also part of the product's package. The intuitive-to-use accessory has handy buttons for one-touch access to today's most popular streaming services. You can also use your smartphone as a Roku remote. We like that, despite its impulse buy price, the Roku Express comes bundled with an HDMI high-speed cable. Number 6. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Designed to stay out of sight, the affordable Amazon Fire TV Stick will allow you to enjoy 4K HDR content, including HDR10 and Dolby Vision enhanced titles from all major streaming services, including Netflix and Prime Video. Powered by Amazon Alexa, the streaming player allows you to search for content and control your smart home gadgets via a dedicated voice button in its remote. This feature is really impressive, especially given how affordable this device is. Support for Dolby Atmos audio is also among the device's key features. A review editor from The Verge concluded that the product is an easy recommendation. Coming in number 5, Roku Ultra. The Roku Ultra is the brand's finest, most feature-packed offering, as well as the best streaming player $100 can buy. It is easy to install, intuitive to use, and capable of effortlessly streaming 4K HDR content. Unlike its predecessor, the latest Roku Ultra is compatible with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos enhanced content, and finally on par with the product's category's best offerings. Roku's range-topping player is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, so it's easy to integrate into just about any connected home. AirPlay streaming is also available for owners of Apple gadgets. Like all Roku products, the Ultra offers access to all major streaming services. There's also plenty of free content to browse from leading providers in a standalone Roku channel. The brand's signature remote control is better than ever on the latest Ultra. In addition to compatibility with voice commands and customizable shortcut buttons, the bundled accessory has a built-in standard audio jack, allowing users to plug in their favorite headphones or earbuds and enjoy content without bothering those around them. Roku has included a pair of wired earbuds in the product's retail package. Coming at number 4, Amazon Fire TV Cube. What sets the Amazon Fire TV Cube apart from all other options on this list is its voice commands. This includes looking for and playing content, changing the volume, and anything else you can think of. With Amazon Alexa on board, the 4K streaming player is also a legit smart home hub, which allows you to control your connected home gadgets. Amazon has accomplished this feat by equipping this device with 8 microphones and far-field voice recognition tech, just like an Amazon Echo product. This means that the Fire TV Cube will hear your commands even with the volume up. There's an option to disable the device's built-in microphones when necessary. Its retail package includes an Alexa voice remote, so you can control it just like any other Amazon Fire TV product. Unlike its predecessor, the updated Fire TV Cube is also compatible with Dolby Vision enhanced content. It also offers access to YouTube streaming, so it finally ticks all the boxes for a discerning streaming aficionado. Number 3. Roku Premiere Streaming Player. For less than $40, the Roku Premiere will upgrade your current TV to a whole new viewing standard. The tiny gadget, smaller than Roku's signature remote, is capable of streaming 4K content, including HDR10 enhanced titles. A review editor from The Verge praised it for delivering a lot for a small price. The Roku Premiere is also compatible with immersive audio standards, including Dolby Atmos. Thanks to Apple AirPlay support, you can easily stream on-screen content from an iPhone, an iPad, or a Mac. In addition to offering access to all major streaming services, the Roku Premiere also brings a vast selection of channels with free content. It comes bundled with an intuitive remote control as well as the high-quality HDMI cable. In case you don't own a 4K TV, consider the Roku Express instead. It offers access to the same content, but in full HD resolution, sans HDR. It costs less than $30, so it's well worth it. Coming at number 2, Nvidia Shield TV. The Nvidia Shield TV, powered by Google's Android TV platform, is a solid alternative to my top pick from Apple. Compared to its predecessor, it boasts several new features and improvements, headlined by a more compact design, compatibility with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos enhanced content. HDR10 support is also on board, as well as cutting-edge upscaling engine. The device's upscaling tech uses artificial intelligence to make the on-screen content look even better. A Tech Radar editor noted that its visual performance is second to none in the streaming player category. With the powerful Google Assistant on board, the Shield TV will allow you to effortlessly search for content, open streaming apps, and control your smart home appliances with your voice. The player is also compatible with Amazon Alexa voice commands. The device is also a surprisingly capable gaming rig, thanks to its powerful chip and compatibility with Nvidia GeForce Now service. You can expand the player's 8GB of storage with a micro SD card slot. A slightly pricier Shield TV Pro variant with more memory and a duo of full USB ports is also available. Number 1. Apple TV 4K. The Apple TV 4K has been around for almost 4 years, yet it's still the absolute best streaming device worth your attention. It supports high-resolution streaming with HDR10 and Dolby Vision enhanced content when paired with a compatible TV. You can stream 4K movies from all major streaming services, including Netflix and Amazon Prime. Support for enhanced Dolby Atmos audio is also on board for a breathtaking viewing experience with immersive, room-filling sound. The product also comes with a year of free Apple TV Plus, a streaming service with a constantly growing library of great content. Finding 4K content on the Apple TV is as easy as asking Siri. With tvOS on board, the device will also give you access to an outstanding selection of apps and games. To top things off, the media player also doubles as an Apple HomeKit hub, allowing users to interact with a multitude of connected appliances and gadgets. In April, the tech giants introduced an upgraded Apple TV 4K with more powerful chip and redesigned Siri remote control. The product will become available to begin in mid-May. Until then, its predecessor is your best option. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best streaming media players. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.